guys, today we're gonna be playing Last Monkey. Like, just put the prize in the bag, little bro. Alright, boys, you ready? Pop up, boys! Oh shit! Pop up, boys! We're gonna.
Oh god.
Okay.
Bro.
Like, just put the prize in the bag, little bro.
Oh god. I put the fries in the bag.
Anyways, we're gonna cut to my first person perspective. We're gonna cut to my first person perspective now. Oh, you just gotta put the prize in the back. Oh, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Ah! Oh, this is the scariest game ever. Run! Run! Just get back in, run! How about, okay guys, let's do a new challenge. Whenever we exit the safe zone, we can't go in another safe zone unless we're in spawn. Well, we can't go back to spawn, but if you spawn in spawn, you know? You guys want to do that? I bet. Alright guys. But whenever you guys want to end the challenge, and just tell me. Alright boys, you ready?
Wait, yeah. I'm playing my Drake right now. I need to play with my snake.
Alright, but let's go, let's go! Alright, no return!
We gotta go.
Where are the ops at? I'm afraid the ops are gonna be around the corner. Oh shit! Oh shit! Run faster, run faster! Oh my god, he just got oh my god, come over here, come over here, come over here. Oh shit! Oh shit! Put the fries in the bag, little bro. Over here, over here! Come up here, come up here! Come on, no! Put the fries in the bag! Run, boy! Run, man! Polly! Polly, come over here, come over here! Run! Oh, shit! Let me over here, let me in! Are you still gonna change? Oh shit! Yum! Just put the fries in the back! What do you mean ankles? Run faster, Maureen! Oh shit! He's coming after me! Oh shit! What do we do? What do we do? What do we do, dude? Let's go try to find something. An exit at least.
I remember seeing a elevator a while ago.
Really?
Away from my life.
Oh! Right here, right here! Press the button. I press the button. Second floor. Ah! Yo, what the fuck? I'm at the Sigma. Oh no. Where are we? No. We're in the hospital.
Oh, this is more.
No, it's like the hospital. We were in the hospital. And the woman was... Oh, we gotta bring her back to life. Oh, the monster just ran by. Oh, what the fuck? It isn't that flanky wanky.
What is that?
You just said that Swanky wanky.
Look, no, look, I've jacked this up.
I'm power to power. Keep me not get caught.
Alright, bet. Maury ran right into that. Come on! We gotta get up! Oh shit! Faster, faster! Oh, he just got raptured. He went over there. Let's go on. I found it! I found it!
Oh no.
Yo, this bro sounds like he's getting tickled very heartily. Do you have hair in your special place? He's gonna help us whenever we save him.
Oh no.
Oh shit!
Alright, power switch.
Maury, you go over there. You go over there, distract him, and try to find a power switch for me and Polly. I'm gonna get Polly up there.
I already found one over there.
Wait, really?
Yeah, come.
Faster! 20 seconds! Faster, faster, faster!
Yes, I did.
I did it too.
Yes, it's
Yeah. Follow me, Polly. Come on. All the way up.
He's in. Don't run. He's with me.
Press this.
Approaching 4. Get away.
Oh shit, Uncle Lester! Calm down, Uncle Lester! Low key, he can't chill though.
Yo,
Let's go down there.
Back in the room.
Uncle!
Juked.
I go! Oh shit, he's coming! Uncle! Oh shit! Uncle! Oh shit! I just took the fuck out of Uncle. Uncle touched me. Bro, I couldn't make it.
back alive.
Yeah, it looks like you did.
I found another switch.
Actually, where?
Switch. It's on the second floor in a room, but who's up there camping?
Uncle! No, I'm gonna die! No! Uncle! I pressed it!
I broke his ankle so hard, bad dude, that he had to go to get another kneecap. What happened?
I heard that. That fucking scream was so fun. Will you find anything?
Yeah, second floor. Uh-oh, Uncle, why are you looking at me like that?
In another room, second floor.
Yo,
Bet. Second floor, bet.
Okay, no, come back downstairs. We're gonna do that diversion fight again.
Bet.
Wait for him to pass by. I'm pretty sure I remember.
Alright, we'll go whenever you go.
1, 2, 3, go.
Uncle! We're back to Uncle! Uncle! Faster, faster, faster!
This room. This room.
I'm pressing, Uncle! Faster, Polly, faster! Uncle! Can we get him up?